Hi everyone, I'm Duncan from Auto Shine and Tintin, and this is what you're all here to see. This is a brand new Porsche 911 Turbo, and it's in for PPF, and we've got a very brave customer because he is going out there with a choice. He's not sure whether it's going to work, and we don't know if it's going to work yet. The guys have just started installing Expel Stealth PPF to Crayon on this Porsche. Is it going to look good, or are we going to ruin the car? See, enthusiasm, optimistics. Let's get on with the install. She is done. Porsche 992 Crayon with Stealth Satin PPF over the entire body with gloss PPF over the gloss black. Quite important in my opinion. If you're going satin on any vehicle, you need gloss black to contrast it, or carbon of course. This car's got perfect amount of balance. Was a gamble. No one has done this before. The customer hadn't seen anyone, even Porsche Portsmouth, they've never had a customer put Stealth PPF on a Crayon vehicle before, so even they're interested in seeing it. So it has come out so well, better than what I even thought. I knew it was going to look good, but it has come out better. In my opinion, the satin look has just made it look a special car. So blown away by the results. I think the customer's going to love it. We're going to load it onto our trailer now, deliver it back to his home for him. Let's get gone. Let me see it in the daylight. No, that looks so good.